Hello everyone, I just want to give you a little tip. If you want to use Polymaker filaments in a Bambu Lab printer, they work perfectly well with a cardboard spool, but if you like, you can transfer the Polymaker filament onto the Bambu Lab spool very easily. The way you do it, I'll show you. You just peel off carefully, just like this. Okay, and then put this aside. Open up the spool from Bambu Lab like this. Take out this, which also has the tag for the Bambu Lab spool, and then put this one with maybe you have to peel off this bit. Okay. So then you just simply, they fit perfectly, you put them on top of that. Okay, at this point you just peel off the other side. Okay, excellent. And then you put this back and lock it into place.